guys, Ashley from Ltkcuties here, and today in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a keychain using felties. And I also put these on my Meadow Cup Cozy, and that pattern link will be in the description, as well as all of these supplies on where I got it and where I get my felties from. And when you completed your feltie keychain, I punch a hole in my business card, and then I put it in these cute holographic mailers that I got from Amazon, which I will also link in the description. And it just is super cute, and it's so easy to make these. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is we are going to get our crocodile, and we are going to locate the 3x16 hole punch right here. And you're going to choose where you're going to put your hole, and I'm going to put mine right at the top right here. So then you just press down and you punch it, and I just kind of tug at it like this to make sure it rips out good. Now you have this little hole, and you're going to get your eyelet or grommet, I think it's called. You're going to put that right there. And now you want to make sure your settings are on right for here. It tells you in the little book of instructions that the crocodile comes in like the sizes of your eyelets and which one you want to put on. So for this one, so you put the part that's sticking, you want to put that, line it up, and then you're just going to press down, and it just punches it in place, and this is what your back will look like. Now some of them come with the little washers that go on the back, and that's fine too, because I also have these. So there's two different kinds. So now we are going to get our scissors, and I just use these, and then I just go around and I trim to my liking. Make sure when you're trimming it, you get as close as you can to the thread, but make sure you do not cut the thread, because then it'll come loose and it'll ruin the design. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we are going to get our jump ring, and we're going to get our pliers, and we are going to open it up. If you can, we're going to open it up, that way we can attach it to the feltie. So what I do is I just get it, and I just kind of like push it back like that. Okay, so now if you would like to add on a tassel, I like to add my tassels on first. Okay, so now you get your keychain clasp, and you add that on, and then you're going to get your pliers again, and we are going to shut it. So then you just twist it back, but you want to make sure it's completely shut, because you don't want any of your stuff to fall off. I like to try to get mine as, and you can even like overlap it, but I just try to get mine to shut as much as possible. And there is our keychain. So it's super simple, it's so quick, and these make great gifts, and there's so many possibilities with all of the felties that I have found. So this one's cute. And then you can just package them up when you ship them with your business card, punch a hole, and that's it. That's all that's to it, and it's super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe for more videos.